Today we are finishing up all the prep that we've been doing all week. It's super hard to be able to feed the community without volunteers. I think it's super important that people really recognize those things and give their time to their community, because we can do a lot more if more people, take 3-4 hours a week and helped out the local organizations. We have turkeys that were given to us by Everything Can Be Jerked. Pound turkey's awesome. He got me almost about 1,000 pounds of turkey.
We're gonna do Jerk 101 today. You can rub it, it's okay, it won't hurt you. And on the final touch, you just put a little sprinkle. Our sauce goes a long way.
Friends eat dry food, especially on the holidays. And with this sauce, with the turkey, sometimes, you go to somebody's house that doesn't know how to cook that well, all you have to do is give them one bottle of this, and it's game over. My parents are from the Caribbean islands, one's from Jamaica and one's from Trinidad. So what I was able to do is kind of take a fusion of what they do and source it to the best of my ability. There's so many different things going on in this world. We just got to help each other out. And I kind of put my money where my mouth is with all this stuff and trying to make a difference. But yeah, I learned it from my grandparents and especially my grandmother, what she was able to do in Trinidad. It's crazy what she was able to do with the dollar. So I just wanted to replicate that. To be a part of 6,000 plus meals throughout the city this week. Just grateful.
So right now we're deboning turkeys. We're getting them in trays so we can start packaging meals later on today. We've got about 1,000 pounds of turkeys that we are deboning right now. Here at 6 in the morning tomorrow, busting our butts, helping serve the community.
We still got a lot of food to prep.
We're making 30 gallons of gravy, 300 pounds of mashed potatoes, about 250 pounds of stuffing, about another 300 pounds of green bean casserole. So we're doing about close to 1,900 portions of banana bread, 80 pies, pumpkin pies that were donated. We have people making a bunch of individual bread rolls. It's gonna be crazy. If you guys ever want to come and volunteer, go to feedthemouse.org/volunteer. We can always use the help. But yeah, this is just a small example of what we can do in a single day with the community supporting us.